air purifier. Is turning it on going to be enough? Don't miss out on this tip for more clean air. First, let's take a look into the filters. There is a deodorization filter to absorb bad smells and harmful gases, and a HEPA filter to capture and reduce fine dust particles. Coway's green HEPA filter has a preservative to prevent any possible mold and bacteria growth. One thing to remember: taking off the plastic wrap is important for best performance and noise control. Also, purchase the authentic Coway filters for best performance. A crucial tip: clean the pre-filters regularly for more clean air. Air Mega 150 pulls contaminated air from the front, purifies through the filters, and pushes out the clean air to the top. First part of the filtration process is through the pre-filter. The pre-filter captures larger dust particles, hair, and pet hair, and is made to be washable for easy maintenance. The pre-filter truly benefits from regular cleaning. Otherwise, the circulation of the airflow and the overall performance could be affected. Now, we will show you how the airflow gets affected on the cleaned and uncleaned. The left has the cleaned pre-filter, and the right has not been cleaned for 2 months. Let's place a paper to compare the suction power. Turning on the air purifiers at the same time, clearly the paper moves toward the cleaned one, proving that the cleaned filter has more suction power. Airflow test based on pre-filter cleanliness. We will place a pinwheel above the top side where filtered air is out. Clearly, the airflow with a cleaned filter is stronger. Further, we will continue the test with balloons. Again, the airflow with a cleaned pre-filter is stronger. Let's measure the airflow with a digital anemometer. Air purifiers are turned on, measuring the airflow of both. By simply cleaning the pre-filter, the airflow difference can be up to over 3 times. Today, we tested how much a simple cleaning can bring huge difference on the performance. So, follow this simple but crucial tip and clean the pre-filters for more cleaner and healthier air. Coway Air Mega 150.